Achieve tight and lasting mitered joints using Everlast 3.5-inch lineal trim by following this procedure. Using pressure-treated wood or PVC molding, prepare blocks measuring 3/4 inch by 1.5 inch by 6 inches. Insert a block into the channel located on the back side of the trim. Aligning the end of the block with the inner edge of the top miter cut, fasten the block to the trim using two 1-inch long corrosion-resistant screws, approximately 1 inch in from each side of the block. Insert a second block into the channel at the bottom of the trim piece. Aligning the end of the block with the inner edge of the bottom miter cut, fasten the second block to the trim using two fasteners, again approximately 1 inch in from each side of the block. Fasten the adjacent mitered trim piece to the block using one fastener directly through the center of the end of the block. Repeat this process to completion. Blocks should always be positioned on the longer dimension of an opening. Use this technique to frame windows, doors, or other openings.